अगर आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं या फिर सीखना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो खास आपके लिए है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू two most important tips that will make you fluent in the English language. All you have to do is stick to this video till the end. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video so that you will not miss any of my further videos. So without further ado, let's head towards the tips. Tip number 1. Take note of new vocabulary. Now you will say, sir, should I carry a notebook with me all the time? No, not at all. You don't have to carry. You will not believe me, but this trick works. It has been a long time that I am following this trick, and I'm damn sure that you must have an Excel sheet on your Android phone. Use it efficiently. Why I'm telling you this? Because not everything sticks the first time. Whenever you hear or read a new word or expressions, write it down in the context. Later on, when you will have free time, you have to make a sentence using that particular word. By doing this, you will cement any new words that you have learned in your memory. Tip number 2. Practice with like-minded friends. You cannot just listen without practicing. You have to practice regularly. When you learn alone, it's very easy to take a break. But when you are with someone, the other member will help you keep going. When you feel like losing momentum, learning as a part of a group or with a friend is really fun. You get to share ideas, thoughts with another person. Find out new ways of looking at things. If you learned something or the other from this video, do subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any of my further videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end.